entertainer's paradise, where luxury meets low maintenance and practicality meets style. Hi, I'm Lauren Mahon from Motion, and this is 35 Leonardo Circuit, Coombabah. As you stride through the gates of this securely fenced property, you will immediately feel at home and at ease. Adorned with security cameras and sensor lights, this is a sanctuary to be enjoyed only by you and yours. Step inside, where you will be greeted by a bright, modern kitchen, multiple living spaces offering plenty of room for all, along with 4 spacious bedrooms. The heart of this home is the outdoor entertaining, overlooking a large saltwater pool with jacuzzi jets and a waterfall, while away a weekend in style. Whether you're a tradie, a boating enthusiast or an avid caravanner, you will relish in corner block living with heaps of off-street parking, 2 double carports and a shed. Solar panels, a hybrid water system and a 3,000 litre water tank are a bonus. Well, there you have it, and as I'm sure you would agree, this is a prize package and it's waiting for you. See you soon.
Dancing in an empty room.